Debt can sound scary, but let me tell you, it doesn't have to be a monster under the bed. In fact, with the right tools and a positive mindset, you can turn debt into your stepping stone to financial freedom. Think about it like this. Imagine yourself scaling a mountain. At the base, the peak seems daunting, a seemingly impossible climb. But with each step you take, with each conquered switchback, you gain momentum and confidence. Debt management is like that climb. It may seem overwhelming at first, but with each strategic step of budgeted payment, a call to a creditor to negotiate a lower interest rate, you move closer to the summit financial freedom. Here's the beauty. Financial freedom isn't just about the absence of debt. It's about having the power to choose, the freedom to pursue your passions, travel the world, or simply have peace of mind knowing you're secure. Think of the inspiring words of Maya Angelou. There is no greater agony than bearing an untold story inside you. Debt, left unmanaged, can become that untold story, a burden weighing you down. But by taking control, you unlock the potential to write a new story, one of financial empowerment and possibility. While debt management offers a path to financial freedom, it's not without its drawbacks. One hurdle can be the initial sacrifice. Curbing spending and sticking to a budget might mean saying no to nights out or that new gadget you've been eyeing. Additionally, some debt management plans might have enrollment fees or require you to close credit card accounts, temporarily limiting your access to credit. This can be inconvenient if you need to make unexpected purchases. Finally, the process itself takes time and discipline. There will be moments when instant gratification beckons, tempting you to stray from the plan. So while debt management is a powerful tool, it's important to be realistic about the commitment it requires. Think about it like this. Benjamin Franklin, one of America's founding fathers, famously said, "An investment in knowledge pays the best interest." Well, consider debt management an investment in your financial future, and the returns are phenomenal. Just like compound interest, where your money grows exponentially over time, the knowledge and strategies you learn today about debt management will snowball into big benefits tomorrow. Imagine it, each on-time payment, each dollar saved on interest, adds another layer of security and freedom to your financial foundation. This investment in knowledge pays dividends far beyond just eliminating debt. It empowers you to make informed financial decisions throughout your life. You'll be able to confidently navigate future loan options, plan for major purchases, and even start building wealth through smart saving and investing strategies. Remember, knowledge is a lifelong asset, and mastering debt management is a key piece of that puzzle. It unlocks a world of financial possibilities, putting you in the driver's seat of your future. You're still here and didn't like the video? This millionaire wisdom is free, but a like would be sweet. So why is debt management so important? Let's break it down to real life stuff. Imagine this, you're rushing around in the morning, late for work, and the bills are piled high on the counter, credit card statements, overdue notices, the whole lot. Your stomach clenches because you can barely keep track of it all, let alone afford it. Debt, especially unmanaged debt, can feel like that constant nagging voice in the back of your head. It steals your peace of mind and keeps you up at night. Debt management is like taking a deep breath and saying, enough is enough. It's about taking control of that situation, sitting down and creating a clear plan. It's about knowing exactly how much you owe, where your money's going, and setting realistic goals to chip away at those debts. It's the difference between feeling overwhelmed and feeling empowered. Because let me tell you, seeing those numbers go down month by month is a feeling of accomplishment that's hard to beat. Its progress is powerful. It gives you back that peace of mind, knowing you're on the right track to finally silencing that nagging voice and achieving financial freedom. All right, let's talk about the not so fun stuff that can happen if we ignore debt management. Imagine you're applying for your dream apartment, that one with the rooftop patio and all, but then boom, your credit score takes a nosedive because of all that unmanaged debt. Suddenly your dream apartment feels more like a distant fantasy. That's just one consequence. Unpaid bills can also lead to harassing phone calls, collection agencies knocking on your door, and even lawsuits. It's a major headache, and on top of that, all that stress can mess with your sleep, your mood, and even your physical health. But here's the plot twist: you don't have to stay stuck under that mountain of debt. Remember Nelson Mandela's powerful words? It always seems impossible until it's done. That's exactly how debt feels sometimes, but trust me, it's conquerable. Think of it like this: Mount Everest might seem intimidating at first, a snowy giant blocking your path to financial freedom, but here's the secret: nobody expects you to scale it overnight. Debt management is like training for that climb. You start slow, building your financial strength with each on-time payment. Every dollar saved towards your goal is a base camp you establish, a little victory to celebrate. Imagine the high five you give yourself after paying off a credit card that's a milestone on your journey. These small wins add up, building your confidence and driving you forward. Soon, you'll be looking back at those early struggles, realizing how far you've come. Debt management is your map to financial freedom, and with each step you take, the summit, that breathtaking view of peace of mind, gets closer. So ditch the despair and grab your metaphorical hiking boots. You've got this. Now let's get to the good stuff, the tools and strategies for effective debt management. We'll talk about budgeting, yes, the B word, but hear me out. A budget isn't a prison, it's a roadmap to financial freedom. It helps you track your income and expenses, identify areas to cut back, and free up resources to tackle debt. There are different debt repayment strategies too. The debt snowball, for example, focuses on paying off the smallest debts first, giving you quick wins and boosting motivation. The avalanche method prioritizes debts with the highest interest rates, saving you money in the long run. Research these methods and choose the one that best suits your situation. Remember, you're not alone in this. There are tons of free resources available online and through non-profit organizations offering financial counseling and guidance. Don't be afraid to seek help from a professional credit counselor who can create a personalized plan for you. Here's the key takeaway. Debt management isn't just about numbers and spreadsheets. It's about taking charge of your life. It's about saying, hey, I'm in control here, and setting some clear goals for yourself. Maybe you dream of that vacation to Hawaii, finally owning a home, or simply having the breathing room to pursue a hobby you love. Whatever your vision is, debt management is the key that unlocks the door to get you there. Now, it won't always be easy. There will be days when that latte or that new gadget seems super tempting, but that's where discipline comes in. I think of it like training for a race. You got to build those muscles to reach the finish line. Every on-time payment, every penny saved towards your goal is a mini victory. Celebrate those wins, no matter how small, because trust me, seeing that progress adds fuel to your fire and keeps you motivated. Remember, Muhammad Ali famously said, champions aren't made in gyms. Champions are made of something they have deep inside them, a desire, a dream, a vision. Let that vision of a debt-free future be your champion spirit. It's the fire that will push you through the tough moments and keep you focused on the prized financial freedom. You've got this. So are you ready to transform your financial future? Take control of your debt today. Remember, knowledge is power, and with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve financial freedom. Hope you learned something new. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on your new favorite channel, United Stacks of America, that will motivate you to earn more. Until next time, stay creative, stay authentic, and stay awesome. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.